Hi, it's Diana again, back. Thanks for dropping by. I wanted to continue my space travel videos, but this time I have to tell you it's all over for NASA. The charade is over, and I'm going to show you why and how. And this is pertaining to space travel and landing on moons and planets. Now, early on, I'll have to recap a little bit because you may not have seen some of my other videos. I made this statement. Okay, the facts that science gives us do not support what science claims to have accomplished. They claim to have accomplished landing on moons and planets and comets. So, the facts that they give us. And early on, I was explaining how they tell us that the Earth is orbiting the Sun, is the Earth, and then you've got the Moon orbiting the Earth. It's orbiting at 67,000 miles per hour. Of course, the Moon is traveling along with it. And then this whole solar system with all its planets, he's a new orbit. With all its planets are traveling in some direction at 515,000 miles per hour, according to what you're reading. And that is 300 times faster than a speeding bullet. And as it is, we're traveling around the sun at 40 times faster than a speeding bullet. Okay, so given that, if you shoot a rocket off the Earth to go to the Moon or anywhere else, you have to deal with these speeds. Okay, everything's moving at 515,000 miles an hour. Now, I know I made some videos and people have talked about the physics of this. They say that a rocket is traveling at the same, according to physics, the same speed as the Earth once it lifts off, which I don't agree with. I feel like that rocket is traveling independently. And rockets, and I went to the NASA website and looked up, the Apollo missions and our first landing on the Moon. The rocket, I didn't see anything faster than like 24,000 miles an hour, a little bit more than that, 24,000 miles an hour. Now, this is according to NASA itself. This is the speed the rocket's going. Okay, not 515,000 miles an hour. It says when you've got an Earth and a Moon traveling, let's say they're traveling together, of course one's going around the other, but they're traveling at the whole speed that the solar system is traveling at. So if that means this Moon is traveling at 515,000 miles per hour. It's still traveling. So that rocket has to, exceed 515,000 miles an hour in order to catch up to the Moon. It has to exceed it, because if it goes the same speed, the rocket goes that speed, it's not going to ever catch up to it. Just like if you have two cars, one going 60 miles an hour, another one going 60 miles an hour, he's never going to catch up unless he increases his speed. So, and then you've got the Moon that's 240,000 miles away. I mean, he's got a lot of accelerating to do, right? The rocket does, or whatever. So, according to science, you can give me all the physics you want, and you have in other videos that I've done. And, you're talking about relative speed and, points of reference. But if you go to the NASA site itself, they don't go any faster than about a little bit faster than 24,000 miles an hour. So that's not that. And that's what they're telling us. So, as I see it, pardon me, moon landings is a joke. And it's a charade put on by NASA, and it's over. The charade is over. So there you have it, and you can, tell me, give me your opinion again. Here we go. We also have, yeah, they don't say anything about exceeding these speeds that I've just given you, that they've given us here. And they apparently got to the moon in 4 days. That's funny. And the moon does not stop and wait for that rocket to reach it. And then once it does reach it, it's got to slow down to land. Oh, according to the log, it also had to orbit the moon for a little while. So it's orbiting a moon that's traveling at 550,000 miles an hour. I don't know how it's doing it, really. Okay, so if you have anything to bring to it, go right ahead. But read them and weep. It's over. This is the conclusion. Thank you very much for watching. Love you. I'll see you next time.